Recipe changes are often necessary when different products are made on a production line. This results in plant downtime, which can be costly. With the simultaneous transfer of process and parameter data, IO-Link enables the reparameterization of sensors and actuators during operation. This way, downtime can be reduced and unnecessary costs avoided. Recipe changes are necessary in plants where more than one product is made. One example is filling plants where different materials and packaging are used. During fill level measurement, sensors measure if containers have been filled sufficiently. Special ultrasonic sensors like the UC-F77 make it possible to adjust the beam width to the object being detected. This also applies to a recipe change. If the opening of a container is too narrow, the edge of the container, not its contents, is detected. To correctly measure the fill level, the beam must be made smaller and the sensor reconfigured. With IO-Link, this can be done automatically via the control. Manual adjustment on-site is no longer necessary. This not only reduces downtime significantly, but it also prevents manual entry errors. Fast and smooth recipe changes are essential, especially in the production of customized products. For production in batch size 1, IO-Link ensures efficiency and flexibility. The prerequisite is that individual products can be identified. For example, each product can be provided with an RFID tag, thus a unique ID. An RFID read-write head identifies the respective product before the next production step is triggered. This transfers a predefined set of parameters to the sensors and actuators, and the system is thus adapted to the individual product. And all this during operation without downtime. As a pioneer in sensor technology, Pepperl+Fuchs is constantly expanding its product portfolio, and with IO-Link offers one of the key technologies for individualized production in line with Industry 4.0.